Good morning everyone and happy Vlogmas Day 8. Welcome back to another day. The storm has kind of hit, but I mean it's not too strong. I'm sure like if you're down in Cork or something it would be really strong. I think it's Cork, Galway. I think it's like the west coast and like down a little bit down south. Here in Dublin it's not too bad. It's just kind of windy, but like we'll see as the day goes on because it's supposed to get worse throughout the day. I actually really like being in a storm when it's not like crazy and your house is going to blow away, but it's nice to kind of have, if it's in the wintertime, have like the fire lit and listen to the storm, listen to the winds. I don't know, I really like it. I find it real relaxing, especially if you're in bed at night. I just love it. Or like a big thunderstorm or something like that. If you're in a country where hurricanes are prevalent, I'm sure that's not fun. I'm getting my nails done. I think I've talked about that a few times. And these brows, which I often think that once you have your brows done, like they just make your face. Like all you need is the brows filled in. Like you don't even have to worry about makeup. I'm getting laminated brows again. The only reason I keep getting laminated brows is because they last the longest out of any brow treatment I've ever gotten, like a tint or what's the other one that I used to always get, HD brows. The lamination lasts the longest and it stays the darkest for the longest, so that's why I always get it. And I just find them really manageable because they're kind of like bushy but like put together at the same time. I don't know, and then you just need like a little soap product. I just find them the easiest. So this is the first time I've gone to the girl that I'm getting my brows done with. It's the first time I've gone to her. I'm at my nail appointment now. Storm Barra is wailing outside, but we're gonna get the nails done. And then I have to go pick up sheets for Noah's bed because I'm just kind of low on, or Noah's cot, Noah's bed. I'm kind of low on them. And then the usual kind of essential supplies. And then I'm going to go home and sit in front of the fire and just relax, I think, for the rest of the evening because it's just so wet and miserable and ugh outside, and yeah, just don't really feel like being in the middle of the storm right now. So next time you see these brows and nails, they're gonna look fierce. Hi guys, so I am back after getting my brows and nails done. I'm just going to take off this jacket and guess what I'm on? My camera. I'm so excited. I just picked it up and it's working great, and yeah, Stephen did an amazing job, so it's finally fully functioning and working, and he got the piece of plastic out and I'm just so delighted. So anyway, this is what my brows look like. There's like a teeny bit of a mark here. Sarah said it's probably from using my moisturizer because it's a vitamin A moisturizer, and she said it could be like thinning out the area around my brows and just not to use it when I am getting my brows done. These are what my nails look like. I kind of showed you a little bit of a clip from my phone, but this is what they look like. So I just got like rose gold glitter, and they are like a clear, like a pink gel, sorry, not a clear gel. So I will show you them in the daylight a bit better anyway. I showed you a little bit kind of there as I was coming out. I also picked up a Costa. I remember we used to always get the billionaire lattes a couple of Vlogmases ago, but they don't have them anymore, and I'm raging because I don't think any other coffee from Costa tastes as nice as that, and anyone they brought out since is not as good. But this one is the purple one. I think I had that one last year, or they had it last year and the year before. Sorry, I have like loads of updates for you guys. Sorry, I'm hoarse. I don't know why. maybe from just like a lot of talking. I also went to Tesco's. I needed to pick up a few bits for Noah, and I picked up this bar on recommendations from one of you guys. It's the Ferrero Rocher one. I was talking about like Christmas chocolate the other night and ones that I really like, and one of you guys recommended trying this, so I'm gonna give that a go. I maybe won't have it now because I'm just not really in the mood. I need to show you all the penny stuff that I got and all the little things for Noah. Actually, I'll do that now while I'm sitting here. I'll show you what I got him. First things are actually gifts from Paddy's twin and his girlfriend. So they bought us a little present. Well, they bought Noah a little present, and it's just an early Christmas gift. And the first thing they got him was this little bib, and it's from Zara Home, I believe. And it's a Christmas bib, but it has like vintage Mickey and Minnie's and stuff on it. It is so cute, and it's like that plastic feel, so he can have a little bit of a Christmas dinner. And then it's Velcro obviously, but it's a nice big bib for him, so I just thought that was really, really cute. Look at all the little Plutos and Mickeys and Minnies and Donalds and little presents and stuff. And then they got him a pack of socks. I already put a pair on him, you would have seen them the other day, but they got these ones here, which are, and these are from Marks and Spencer's, just in case you guys are wondering. They're little Santa slipper socks, and they're fluffy. So they have these little elf ones, and then a little green pair, and then stripy ones, and then he had the grey Santa ones on the other day up there in the wash. So that is Noah's little bits, little presents from his auntie and uncle. And then these are the bits that I got him. So the first thing I got him was from H&M. I picked up this little cute outfit. I'm gonna say cute a lot, so please ignore. I'm annoying myself saying it already, but this little cute outfit, it is so adorable. It has a reindeer, a little dog, a bear, and a penguin on it, and it's just Christmas themed or winter themed, and I just love it. It's like that nice knit material, and then it comes with matching little pants. It's kind of like a, not a navy, it's like a lighter navy, like a navy wash. I think it's so cute, and I had to pick it up. I couldn't leave it behind. I think that was only €20 or something like that in H&M. I don't know, there's no, oh, there is a tag in it, obviously. It was $17.99, like that's really, really good. Then I went into Penny's and I picked up a couple of bits. Penny's can be hit and miss. Sometimes Penny's is amazing for kids' clothes, sometimes it's really poor. The quality of the clothes as well, again, is hit and miss. These feel like they're pretty decent quality and they look really, really nice. I got these for him. They have a moose on the front, and they are kind of velvety, like that velour-y kind of feel. They are so adorable. These are pajamas obviously, but I'm gonna have them in them like as day wear, like on a day that we're not really gonna go anywhere over Christmas. I just think that they're so cute. And then they have little stripy blue and white bottoms, absolutely gorgeous, and they were only €8. I got them for 6 to 9 obviously because he's getting big. This looks like it's going to be massive on him, but I don't really mind that because it's kind of the type of outfit that it is. It is going to be big. He's quite tall and long, but kind of like skinny. I'm trying to describe my baby like I'm talking about like a makeup product, but he's quite tall. Obviously Paddy's like 6'2". This has all reindeers on it. It's a onesie, but it has the feet out so he can wear socks with it. Like these like cute little stripy socks would be so adorable with. Little red-nosed reindeers, obviously Rudolph, and then it has a little hood on it, so it wouldn't be like a sleep outfit because the hood wouldn't be great, but like just a little day cute outfit. I just think it's so adorable, but I love everything about it, and it feels really thick. This was €12. And then the next things I picked up were all from Marks and Spencer. So I got his Christmas Day outfit and his Christmas Eve outfit. We're going to Luttrellstown Castle on Christmas Eve for brunch. Myself, Paddy, and his parents, and his nan, and his other brother. So the 6 of us are going out, and I picked this up for his Christmas Eve outfit because I just think it's so cute. Rudolph on it, and it's just really adorable. That was in Marks and Spencer's, and it was €17, just if you're wondering, and I love it. It's so cute. And this is his Christmas Day outfit. This was €23, and it's a little navy outfit with, I don't know, little sled, little characters on sleighs. If the camera will focus, you can kind of see there's just like little bears going down on sleds, and I just thought this was so cute. So it's navy, and then it has like a little white trim on the around the waist and then on the sleeves, and it has little buttons on the back, and then the bottoms just look the exact same pattern with the little buttons down the front. That's everything I got for Noah. I'll show you the little bits that I got myself tomorrow when I've a bit better lighting. I'm gonna enjoy my coffee right now. I'm so glad to have my camera back. I'm gonna try and edit the last 2 vlogs and get them up ASAP, because I'm sorry I missed them yesterday, and today's one is going to be late because of that, but it's just life. Look at this Mahusa spot, like that's exactly what I need right now. I'm going to put all his little December Christmas outfits away. I think the lighting might be a bit better in here, that you can kind of see all the colors and just how cute those little outfits are. I don't know if I showed you this before. It's really hard to see with the bed cover, but I got a onesie for me and for Noah. It bothers me so much that mine is cream and his is white, but this is for Christmas night. I don't care if I'm sad. I don't care if like nobody else is doing this. I'm doing it with Noah. I'm going to start making dinner. I am going to make Thai green curry for everyone, chicken, and I think I'm going to add in a couple of green veggies. And put on new jammies. Put loads of bubbles in. And I'm gonna put my duckies in. Oh, I burnt that duckie's tail. I think I might have talked about that before when I was very small. So he has a burnt tail, but Noah has my duckies. Noah's jammies for tonight. The little moose ones. I'm going to put some powder on you and get you all ready, cozy for the night. Noah's in his new jammies. They're so cute. I love them. They're so cute, little moose boy. It is pouring rain outside, but look how lovely my dad's lights look on the tree. It's so hard to see because I think this camera keeps picking up the raindrops. And his lights on the fence out there. The storm is really starting to below. It's really windy and cold and wet. We're watching the news and the power is down. Wow, I think we'll stay in with the fire. Won't be going anywhere. 117 kilometers. Thanks, Chewy. Drinking my cup of tea. I didn't want it anyway. So I'm just in the bathroom getting ready for bed. My skin is so bad. I'm having like so many hormonal breakouts. I haven't had breakouts on my skin in so long. I'm gonna cleanse my face, get ready for bed. I'm using the CeraVe cleanser. I've showed this in a vlog before, but I'm using this. I just find that it's really great because it's like, I don't know, fragrance free, and it doesn't break me out. I don't know what I've been using on my skin that's causing like breakouts, or if it's just hormonal. I don't know. And I have to just be careful not to go around my brows because you can't get them wet for 24 hours. Okay, so my face is washed. Now I'm just gonna tone it using my Ren toner. I always have to be careful. There's a Ren toner in there, and then there's also a nail polish remover like on the drawer, the shelf above, because all the nail and foot stuff is there, and then all the skincare is underneath. I'm almost afraid I'm going to take the nail polish remover because it has the same kind of pump and I wouldn't even cop on. Maybe I should kind of move the nail stuff or the foot stuff to the bottom. Now I'm just going to moisturize my skin with my Ren night cream. Now I'm going to take the best spot cream in the entire world, and apply it to my skin. It's in a little dinky little thing. Pseudocreme! This actually came in like a thing I got when Noah was born, and it's just so convenient, especially for like putting on spots. Pseudocreme is like the best thing ever for spots. These will be gone in 24 hours. I'm gonna take my zitty little face off to bed, and I will talk to all of you guys in tomorrow's vlog. So I hope you enjoyed today's one. Have a lovely day, night, wherever you are in the world. Love you guys so much. Bye!